Okay, today let's look at the topic called OSPF Prefix Suppression. This topic might come up on CCNP ENCOR exam or maybe CCIE or CCNA. So let's look at the options. And the purpose of this OSPF suppression is basically if I go to our 4 router, so show IP route OSPF. So right now you see I have all the routes to available in the area, but I also have routes that I don't even need, and those are called like transit routes. So for example, here this is the transit link or the transit route, and this 172.30.1 and this 30.2 and this one. So these are just acting as a transit links, okay, and this as well. So if I want to go to R4 and I want to ping to this network right here, technically I don't need these in my OSPF routing table. And what prefix suppression does is also reduces the size of the OSPF database. So this helps a lot. We do not want to have more information that we don't even need. Maybe for troubleshooting purposes, but there might be a cases when you don't want to see this information. For example, I have this routing table open and you see this 10.0.0 network. Okay, so this network and this 198 network, we don't even need this network. As long as we can ping to our 203 network, we don't need all these networks. Okay, so I'll be only focusing on 10.0.0 network. I want to get rid of this one. So let's get started. And the configuration will be happening on the router 2 and router 1. So let me show you. Okay, so the configuration will only take place at this interface and router 1 Ethernet 00 interface. So let me clear the screen and let's get started. Okay, so let's see, show IP route OSPF. We have this 10 network and we want to get rid of it. So let me go to R2 and the configuration is interface Ethernet 0/0 IP OSPF prefix suppression. And now let me go to R2, R1, T interface Ethernet 0/0 IP OSPF prefix suppression. And how about we also do the configuration on the 198 network? So let's get rid of that interface E0/1 and I'll just copy paste the, okay, pretty much done on this one. And let me go to T interface E0/0. Okay, so basically, so what we did in this case is we went to R2 and we applied the command that you can see here, show IP OSPF prefix suppression. We applied on this interface and this interface and this interface. So now we want to test if we can ping from router R4, and we can ping to this network here, and technically we shouldn't see this link, neither this one we didn't change, so that's okay. So let's see. So I'm on router R4 and show IP route OSPF. Wow. See, you only see this 203 network, which is our destination. If we look at before, we were able to see these transit links. Okay. And we also want to make sure we can still ping these interfaces. So 203.0.113.1. Okay, I can ping. Okay, so I have a reachability and I didn't break anything, but I'm still able to reduce my OSPF database size, and my IP route table looked much nicer. I excluded basically all the transit links. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this video was informative, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.